Welcome to a quick tutorial on dividing indices. I'm going to show you how to do it expanding our indices so you understand what we're doing, and I'm also then going to show you the shortcut, which is of course what everybody wants to know. Okay, so if I'm dividing indices, it can look something like this. I might do 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 3. Really simple little one. Now to understand how these work, I'm going to expand my indices. So I'm going to turn 2 to the power of 4 is exactly the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so I've got 4 lots of 2's multiplied together. And then my divided by, I'm going to do as a fraction, and then my 2 to the power of 3 I put down here. So I've got 4 lots of 2 up the top, 3 lots of 2 down the bottom. That's what my divided by is like. I could have also written this, which might make a little bit more sense, like that. Remember that divided by sign there is the same as the vinculum, or that line in a fraction just there. Back to our sum, however. Because I've got them as a fraction, I can cancel out any common numbers on the top and the bottom. And I'm left with 2, just one lot of 2, 1, 2, so it's 2 to the power of 1. Can you see an easier way that I could have done that? Sorry, it's a terrible one. You're right. All I needed to do instead was take my index numbers and subtract them. So, for example, if I have 3 to the power of 70 divided by 3 to the power of 69, oh, actually let's do 60 for that one, just to make it a little bit easier. If I could do that, then my answer is going to be 3, because my base always stays the same. 70 minus 60, which is 3 to the power of 10. Much, much easier than having to expand them all, don't you think? Alrighty, so let's have a look and see what happens when we have to do using algebra. So using algebra, if I have b, I'll choose something a bit different this time. If I have b to the power of 7 divided by b to the power of 3. Now because they're all in algebra, we usually don't do the divided by sign. We usually just use this little vinculum instead, just here. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing. My base is going to be b again, because we always keep the bases the same. And it's just going to be 7 minus 3, which equals b to the power of 4. I'm going to have 4 b's multiplied together. Alrighty, so seriously, not too difficult, just as long as you remember that the divided by means that we subtract the 2 different index numbers. Our rule for this that you might see, and I'm going to write them in the same form, is a to the m divided by a to the n equals a to the m minus n. Remember, I'm just using my letters here as placeholders, just a reminder so that we know what to do when we get our sums. Okay. Best idea now is to quickly have a go at some of the sums either on your worksheet or that you've been referred to through Classroom. Thanks for watching.